best race car driver and you change spark plugs.
I make an honest living, Petro. And I like cars.
What you like is to be in them, not under them.
Your bro here is the only Romanian who got an invite to high stakes.
Is it true that if you didn't have cars worth $500,000? Hey, Mario, Andre, are you crazy?
You know this guy?
Are you up for a cross-city race with that beater?
Walk.
Or you already drunk and afraid you'll end up like your dad wrapped around a guardrail?
I want to race.
We're talking about the top 10 drivers in Europe. The winner takes 1 million euros plus the cars of all the other racers.
Where are you going? I'll kill him.
Don't you ever forget it for as long as you live. Nothing's free in this world.